अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम रिवाइज़ करेंगे मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ जो जनरल नॉलेज के पेपर के हवाले से अहम हैं। कमिंग जो जीके पेपर है, इसके अलावा तमाम जीपीएससी के वन पेपर एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए ये मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ हैं और बार बार पेपर में आते रहते हैं। तो सब्जेक्ट वाइज हम इनको लेकर चलेंगे। सबसे पहले हम डिस्कस करेंगे पाकिस्तान स्टडीज़ से रिलेटेड जो मोस्ट रिपीटेड एमसीक्यूज़ हैं उनको। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। First Viceroy of the subcontinent, Lord Canning. Last Viceroy of India, Lord Mountbatten. Partition of Bengal year 1905 by Lord Curzon. Annulment of Partition of Bengal in 1911 by Lord Hardinge. Shimla Deputation year 1906 led by Sir Agha Khan. All India Muslim League founded in Dhaka on 30th of December 1906. Lucknow Pact year 1916. Joint session of Congress and Muslim League. Jinnah joined Muslim League in 1913. Jinnah left Congress in 1920. Khilafat movement started by Ali brothers, Maulana Shaukat and Muhammad Ali Johar. Simon Commission arrived in India in 1928. Nehru Report year 1928. 14 points of Qaid-e-Azam in 1929. Allahabad address by Allama Iqbal in 1930. Word Pakistan coined by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali in 1933 in pamphlet Now or Never. Government of India Act 1935. Day of Deliverance observed on 22nd of December 1939. Pakistan Resolution, also known as Lahore Resolution, on 23rd of March 1940. Pakistan Resolution moved by A.K. Fazlul Haq, also known as Sher-e-Bengal. Cripps Mission year 1942. Quit India movement year 1942. Shimla Conference was held in 1945. Cabinet Mission Plan in 1946. Direct Action Day observed on 16th of August 1946. Radcliffe Award defined boundaries between India and Pakistan. Objective resolution was passed on 12th of March 1949. First Constitution of Pakistan was enforced on 23rd of March 1956. 1956 Constitution was abrogated by Iskandar Mirza in 1958. Second Constitution of Pakistan was enforced on 8th of June 1962 and it was presidential. Third Constitution of Pakistan was enforced on 14th of August 1973 and it was parliamentary. Total articles in 1973 Constitution 280 articles. System of government in 1973 bicameral, Senate and National Assembly. Upper house is called Senate and lower house is called National Assembly. First amendment to the 1973 Constitution was done in 1974 and it defined Pakistan's boundaries. Second amendment to the 1973 Constitution in 1974 that declared Ahmadis as non-Muslims. Eighth amendment in 1985 gave power to President according to Article 58 2b. 18th Amendment in 2010 that restored parliamentary form or provincial autonomy. 25th Amendment is related to FATA merger with KP. Age for National Assembly member according to 1973 Constitution is 25 years. Age for Senate member is 30 years and for President is 45 years. Highest peak of Pakistan, K2, also known as Godwin Austen, and it is 8611 meters. Nanga Parbat height 8126 meters. Longest river of Pakistan, Indus River 3180 kilometer. Smallest river of Pakistan, Ravi River. Largest natural lake, Manchar Lake in Dadu. Largest artificial lake, Kinjhar Lake in Thatta. Largest desert, Thar in Sindh. Only cold desert, Katpana Desert in Skardu. Khyber Pass connect Peshawar with Kabul. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. Bolan Pass connects Quetta with Sibi. Babusar Pass connects Abbottabad with Gilgit. Luwari Pass connects Dir with Chitral. Largest dam, Tarbela Dam on Indus River. Highest dam, Mangla Dam on Jhelum River. Sakhar Barrage old name L. Lloyd Barrage. Largest salt mine is Khevda and is in Jhelum. Copper deposits found in Chaghi. Sandak project. Natural gas first discovered at Sui in 1952. Coal reserves mostly found in Thar. Silver fiber of Pakistan is known as cotton. National poet Allama Iqbal. National animal Markhor. National bird Chakor. National flower Jasmine. National sport field hockey. National tree Deodar. National anthem composed by Ahmed G. Chagla. National anthem lyrics written by Hafiz Jalandhari. First Governor General of Pakistan Quaid-e-Azam. First Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. First President Sikandar Mirza. First elected Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. First female Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto. First Chief Justice Sir Abdul Rashid. First state to join Pakistan, Bahawalpur. Pakistan joined UNO on 30th of September 1947. First country to recognize Pakistan, Iran. State Bank of Pakistan inaugurated on 1st of July 1948. OIC founded in 1969 in Rabat. SAARC founded in 1985 in Dhaka. Pakistan became nuclear power on 28th of May 1998 and conducted nuclear experiment in Chaghi. CPEC China-Pakistan Economic Corridor started in 2015. Pakistan's largest export partner USA, Pakistan's largest import partner China. Currency of Pakistan rupee introduced in January 1948. Founder of Mughal Empire Babur in 1526 after Battle of Panipat won. Mughal emperor who died by falling from stairs Humayun. Oldest mosque in Pakistan Bhambor Mosque in Sindh. Badshahi Mosque is in Lahore, built by Aurangzeb Alamgir in 1673. Shalimar Garden in Lahore, built by Shah Jahan. Rohtas Fort is in Jhelum, built by Sher Shah Suri. Tomb of Jahangir is located in Shadra in Lahore. Data Ganj Bakhsh is the title of Sayyid Ali Hajweri. Shrine of Lal Shahbaz Qalandar is in Saiwan Sharif. Shrine of Baba Farid Ganj Shakkar is in Pakpatan. Author of Heer Ranjha Waris Shah. Author of Shahjo Risalo Shah Abdul Latif Pitai. First poet of Pashto Amir Karod. First poet of Punjabi Baba Farid. War of Independence started from Meerut on 10th of May 1857. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan founded MAO School in 1875. MAO School became Aligarh University in 1920. Scientific Society founded by Sir Syed in Ghazipur in 1864. Author of Asarus Sanadid, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Anjuman-e-Himayat-e-Islam founded in Lahore in 1884. Nadwatul Ulama founded in Kanpur in 1894. The Indian National Congress founded by A.O. Hume in 1885. Partition of Bengal annulled by King George V. Rowlatt Act year 1919 known as Black Act. Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred in Amritsar on 13th of April 1919. Khilafat delegation to England led by Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar. First martial law in Pakistan on 7th of October 1958 by Sikandar Mirza. Indus Water Treaty signed in 1960 with World Bank mediation. Capital shifted from Karachi to Islamabad in 1960, completed in 1967. RCD Regional Cooperation for Development formed in 1964. 1965 war lasted for 17 days. Tashkent Declaration signed by Ayub Khan and Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1966. Agartala conspiracy case against Sheikh Mujibur Rahman in 1968. Ayub Khan resigned in March 1969. Legal framework order issued by Yahya Khan in 1970. First general elections held on 7th of December 1970. Shimla Agreement signed on 2nd of July 1972. Second OIC Summit hosted by Pakistan in Lahore in 1974. Karakram Highway completed in 1978 known as Friendship Highway. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto executed on 4th of April 1979. Zakat and Usher Ordinance promulgated by Ziaul Haq in 1980. Hudud Ordinance year 1979. First non-party elections held by Zia in 1985. President Ziaul Haq died in plane crash at Bahawalpur on 17th of August 1988. Length of Pak-Afghan border known as Durand Line 2640 km. Length of Pak-China border 599 km. Length of Pak-India border 2912 km approximately. Length of Pak-Iran border 909 km. Coastline of Pakistan 1046 km. अगर आपको पेपर में 1058 किलोमीटर का ऑप्शन मिलता है तो आपने उसको करेक्ट करना है, और अगर 1046 किलोमीटर गिवन है और साथ में नन ऑफ दीज का ऑप्शन भी नहीं है तो फिर आप इसी को करेक्ट करेंगे। एक दफ़ा फिर से आपने इसको चेक कर लेना है कि अभी कितनी कॉस्ट लाइन है, क्योंकि पुराने जो पास पेपर्स हैं उनमें 1046 ही मेंशन्ड है। सेपरेशन ऑफ ताजिकिस्तान फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान through Vahan corridor. Pass connecting Mardan with Malakand, Dargai Pass. Pass connecting Gilgit with China, Khunjrab Pass. Salt Range is located between Jhelum and Indus rivers. Highest point of Salt Range, Sakesar. Highest plateau of Pakistan, Deosai in Skaddu. The Potohar Plateau is located in northern Punjab. Highest peak of Koh Suleiman, Takht Suleiman. Highest peak of Hindu Kush, Tirich Mir. The roof of the world is known as Pamir Plateau. Siachen Glacier length 76 km. First Pakistani to win Nobel Prize Dr. Abdul Salam in the field of physics in 1979. Total districts in Punjab 42. First female governor of State Bank Shamshad Akhtar. Oldest forest of Pakistan Juniper Forest in Ziyarat. National anthem played for the first time on 13th of August 1954. First census in Pakistan 1951. Biggest thermal power station in Kotadoo. First airline of Pakistan Orient Airways. First TV station of Pakistan in Lahore on 26th of November 1964. Largest museum in Pakistan Lahore Museum. Total seats in National Assembly 336. Total seats in Senate 96. Heaviest rainfall in Pakistan occurs in Mari. Smallest civil award of Pakistan Tamgha-e Khidmat. Highest civil award Nishan-e Pakistan. Only person to receive Nishan-e Haider and Nishan-e Pakistan. No one. Nishan-e Haider is pure military. Recipient of Nishan-e Haider from Punjab Regiment Captain Sarwar Shahid. Youngest recipient of Nishan-e Haider Rashid Minhas. Only Air Force officer to get Nishan-e Haider Rashid Minhas. Civilian who received Nishan-e Haider no one. Total recipients of Nishan-e Haider 11. First recipient of Nishan-e Haider Captain Raja Sarwar Shahid in 1948. Only recipient of Nishan-e Haider from Northern Light Infantry Havaldar Lalak Jan. Recipient of Nishan-e Haider in 1999 Kargil War Captain Colonel Sher Khan and Lalak Jan. Major Aziz Bhatti Shaheed received Nishan-e Haider in 1965 war. Pilot officer Rashid Minhas belongs to Pakistan Air Force. Hilal-e Jurat is the second highest military award. Operational headquarters of Pakistan Navy in Islamabad. First Commander-in-Chief of Pakistan Army General Frank Meserve. First Muslim Commander-in-Chief of Army Field Marshal Ayub Khan. First Muslim Commander-in-Chief of Navy Admiral Haji Muhammad Sadiq Chaudhry. First Muslim Commander-in-Chief of PAF Air Marshal Asghar Khan. First Cricket Captain of Pakistan Abdul Hafiz Kardar. First Pakistan won Cricket World Cup in 1992, beat England in Melbourne. Pakistan won T20 World Cup in 2009 and beat Sri Lanka. Pakistan won Champions Trophy in 2017 by beating India. Jahangir Khan is famous for squash, winner of 555 consecutive matches. Jansher Khan is famous for squash, 8-time world champion. National anthem of Pakistan was approved in 1954. First female singer to receive Nishan-e-Imtiaz Noor Jahan. The pride of performance is a civil award for excellence in various fields. First Urdu newspaper of Pakistan Imroz. First English newspaper of Pakistan Dawn, founded by Quaid-e-Azam. First radio station established after 1947 in Karachi. Meaning of Punjab, land of 5 waters or rivers. Number of divisions in Punjab 11. Largest division of Punjab by area Bahawalpur and by population Lahore. Old name of Faisalabad Layalpur. Old name of Sahiwal, Montgomery. City known as Manchester of Pakistan, Faisalabad. City of Saints, Multan. Known as City of Furniture, Chiniot. Known as City of Textiles, Faisalabad. Sialkot is famous for sports goods and surgical instruments. Wazir Khan Mosque is located in Lahore. Hiran Minar is located in Shekhupura, built by Jahangir. Changa Manga is the largest man-made forest in Pakistan. In Kasur, Lahore. Katas Raj Temple is in Chakwal. Khevda salt mine discovered by Alexander the Great's horse. Head Sulmanki is on river Sutlej. Head Marala is on river Chenab. First woman governor of a province, Begum Rana Liaquat Ali Khan from Sindh. First woman Speaker of National Assembly, Fahmida Mirza. Madre Millat, Mother of the Nation, Fatima Jinnah. Fatima Jinnah contested elections against Ayub Khan in 1965. Charter of Democracy 2006, signed by Benazir Bhutto and Nawaz Sharif. Founding Chairman of PPP, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. Founding Chairman of PTI, Imran Khan in 1996. Longest serving President of Pakistan, Ziaul Haq. Shortest serving Governor General Quaid-e-Azam. Author of The Struggle for Pakistan, I.H. Qureshi. Author of The Making of Pakistan, K.K. Aziz. Author of Jinnah, Pakistan and Islamic Identity, Akbar S. Ahmed. Smallest dam of Pakistan, Warsak Dam on Kabul River. Hub Dam supplies water to Karachi and Lasbela. River Kabul joins Indus at Attock. River Panchkoda is a tributary of Swat River. Hana Lake is in Quetta. Satpara Lake is in Skardu. Saiful Malok Lake is in Kaghan Valley. Largest barrage of Pakistan, Sakhar Barrage. First barrage built on Indus, Sakhar Barrage in 1932. Last barrage on Indus, Kotri Barrage. Number of rivers in Balochistan, 7. World's highest polo ground, Shandur in Chitral. UNESCO World Heritage Site in Punjab, Shalimar Gardens and Lahore Fort. Archaeological site Harappa is in Sahiwal. Archaeological site Mohenjo-daro is in Ladkana. Mohenjo-daro means Mount of Dead. Texla was the capital of Gandhara civilization. Discovery of Mohenjo-daro by R.D. Banerjee in 1922. Discovery of Harappa by Dayaram Shani in 1921. First woman to climb Everest from Pakistan, Samina Beg. Arfa Karim was the youngest Microsoft certified professional. The Great Trunk Road GT Road built by Sher Shah Suri. The largest railway workshop is in Mughalpura in Lahore. Total length of Pakistan's railway track 7791 km. National Highway Authority established in 1991. Motorway M2 connects Lahore and Islamabad. First motorway of Pakistan, M2. The line of control established in 1972 through Shimla Agreement. Sundar Industrial Estate is in Lahore. Minar-e-Pakistan was designed by Murad Khan, Russian architecture. Highest height of Minar-e-Pakistan 196 feet or 60 meters. First Muslim woman to lead a Muslim state, Benazir Bhutto. First Governor of Punjab after 1947, Sir Francis Moody. First Chief Minister of Punjab after 1947, Iftikhar Hussain Mahmud. Largest library in Pakistan, Quaid-e-Azam Library, Lahore. Smallest province by population, Balochistan, and largest province by area is Balochistan. Smallest province by population is Balochistan. Sindh is called Babul Islam, Gateway of Islam. Siachen Glacier is in mountain range of Karakoram. The cold desert Katpana is in Baltistan. The highest peak of the Kohe-Safed range, Sikaram. The length of Karakoram highway 1300 km. Indus River originates from Tibet. Pakistan's first satellite Badr 1 in 1990. National Museum of Pakistan is in Karachi. The last sermon of Prophet peace be upon him was in 10th Hijri 632 AD. Pakistan's first nuclear power plant Kannap established in 1972 in Karachi. The second nuclear power plant Chestnut is in Mianwali. Pakistan's main import is petroleum products. The first census of 21st century is in Pakistan in 2017. Total number of amendments in 1973 Constitution 26 थी, अभी 27 भी पास हुई है. Shaksgam Valley was ceded to China in 1963. The largest cantonment of Pakistan, Kharia. The first Bank of Pakistan, Habib Bank Limited. The first Pakistani postage stamp issued in July 1948. The first bicameral legislature, Senate plus National Assembly, introduced in 1973. Upper House of Parliament, Senate. Lower House of Parliament, National Assembly. Quorum of National Assembly is 1/4 of total membership. National flag designed by Amiruddin Kidwai. The ratio of the national flag 2:3. First capital of Pakistan, Karachi. Date of FATA KP merger 31st of May 2018. The highest civil award for foreigners, Nishan-e-Pakistan. First American president to visit Pakistan, Dwight D. Eisenhower in 1959. अब हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं जियोग्राफी के MCQs. फर्स्ट MCQs है हाईएस्ट पीक ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज़ K2 also known as Godwin Austen. Height is 8611 meters. Second highest peak is Nanga Parbat 8126 meters also called Killer Mountain. K2 is located in Karakoram range. Nanga Parbat is located in the Himalaya. Highest peak of Hindu Kush range Tirich-Mir 7690 meters. Range separating Pakistan from Afghanistan Hindu Kush. Longest river of Pakistan Indus River 3180 km. Origin of Indus River Tibet. Indus River ends at Arabian Sea in Karachi. 5 rivers of Punjab Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej and Indus. Smallest river of Pakistan Ravi. River Kabul joins Indus at Attock. Point where 5 rivers meet Panjnand, Mithankot. Longest glacier of Pakistan Siachen Glacier 76 km. Second largest glacier Biafo 67 km. Glacier located in Karakoram, Baltoro. Total number of glaciers in Pakistan more than 7,000. Highest point of Kohe-Safed range Skerem. Range located between Indus and Jhelum. Salt range. Highest peak of salt range Kesar. Total area of Pakistan 796096 square kilometer excluding AJK and GB. Total area including AJK and GB 881913 square kilometer. Pakistan's latitude 24 north to 37 north. Pakistan latitude 61 east to 75.5 east. Border with India Redcliffe Line. Border with Afghanistan Durand Line established in 1893. Length of Durand Line 2640 km. Length of Pak-India border 2912 km. Length of Pak-China border 599 km. Length of Pak-Iran border 909 km. Wakhan Corridor separates Pakistan from Tajikistan. Wakhan Corridor belongs to Afghanistan. Country located in the east, India. Country located in the west or northwest, Afghanistan. Country located in the southwest, Iran. Country located in northeast, China. Body of water in the south, Arabian Sea. Run of Kutch boundary line is known as 24th parallel line. Line of control established in 1972 through Shimla Agreement. Largest natural lake of Pakistan, Manchar Lake in Dadu. Largest artificial lake, Kinjhar Lake in Thatta. Lake Saiful Mulok is in Kaghan Valley, Naran. Satpara Lake is in Baltistan in Sakardu. Kalar Kahar Lake is in Chakwal. Hanna Lake is in Quetta. Largest desert of Pakistan is Thar, located in Sindh. Only cold desert in Pakistan, Katwana Desert in Skardu. Thal Desert is located in Punjab between Jhelum and Indus. Cholistan Desert, Ruhi is in Bahawalpur in Punjab. Kharan Desert is in Balochistan. Khyber Pass connects Peshawar with Kabul. Bulan Pass connects Quetta with Sibi. Babusar Pass connects Abbottabad with Gilgit. Luari Pass connects Dir with Chitral. Khunjrab Pass connects Pakistan with China. Shandur Pass connects Chitral with Gilgit. Gomal Pass connects Dera Ismail Khan with Ghazni. Pass connecting Mardan with Malakand. Dargai Pass. Bulan Pass is in the Sulayman Range. Largest continent by area, Asia. Smallest continent by area, Australia. Largest ocean of the world, Pacific Ocean. Smallest ocean, Arctic. Deepest point in the world, Mariana Trench, and it is in Pacific Ocean. Deepest lake in the world, Baikal Lake in Russia. Largest sea in the world, South China Sea. Sea separating Asia from Africa, Red Sea. Suez Canal connects Mediterranean Sea with Red Sea. Panama Canal connects Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Strait of Malacca separates Malaysia and Indonesia. Bering Strait separates Asia and North America. Separate Russia from USA. Gibraltar Strait connects Atlantic Ocean and Mediterranean Sea. Father of rivers is known as Indus River. Longest river in the world, Nile in Africa. Largest river by water volume is Amazon in South America. Yellow River is another name for Huang He in China. Oxus River flows between Afghanistan and Tajikistan. Highest altitude capital or town, La Paz in Bolivia or Lhasa in Tibet. Coldest place in the world, Vostok Station in Antarctica. Hottest place in Pakistan, Jacobabad. Rainiest place in Pakistan, Mari. Area of lowest rainfall in Pakistan, Nok Kundi in Balochistan. Land between two rivers is called Doab. Bari Doab is between Beas and Ravi. Rachna Doab is between Ravi and Chenab. Chaj Doab is between Chenab and Jihlam. Sindh Sagar Doab is between Indus and Jihlam. Upper Indus plain starts from Kalabagh. Lower Indus plain starts from Mithankot. Area around a river, Bela. Oldest forest of Pakistan, Juniper Forest in Ziarat. Largest man-made forest, Changamanga. Total forest cover in Pakistan 5%. Required is 25%. Pamir Plateau is known as Roof of the World. Potohar Plateau is in northern Punjab. Deosai Plains are in GB. Salt Range length 300 km. Main source of energy in Pakistan, thermal. First solar power plant, Quaid-e-Azam Solar Park in Bahawalpur. Natural gas first discovered at Sui in 1952. Largest salt mine in Khevda, Jihlam. Copper and coal deposits found at Rikodik in Balochistan. Largest coal deposits in Thar, Sindh. Largest dam of Pakistan, Tarbela Dam on Indus River. Highest dam of Pakistan, Mangla Dam on Jhelum River. Wasat Dam is built on Kabul River. Gomal Zam Dam is in South Waziristan. First barrage on Indus, Sakhar Barrage in 1932. Last barrage on Indus, Kotri Barrage. Number of barrages on Indus, 6. Hub Dam supplies water to Karachi and Lasbela. Oldest railway station in Lahore, 1864. First motorway M2, Lahore to Islamabad. Length of M2 motorway 367 km. First airline, Orient Airways. First port of Pakistan, Karachi Port. Deepest seaport, Gwadar. Port Qasim is located in Karachi. First geoscientific laboratory is in Islamabad. Largest province by area, Balochistan. By population, Punjab. Smallest province by area, KPK. Most thinly populated province, Balochistan. Area of Punjab, 205,344 square kilometer. Area of Sindh, 140,914 square kilometer. Area of Balochistan, 347,190 square kilometer. Area of KPK, 101,741 square kilometer. Area of Islamabad, 906 square kilometer. Total districts in Punjab in 2025, 42. Total divisions in Punjab, 11. Largest division of Punjab by area, Bahawalpur. By population, Lahore. Total rivers in Balochistan, 7. Total rivers in Punjab, 5. Total rivers in Sindh, 4, and in KPK, 8. FATA merged with KPK in May 2018 according to 25th Amendment. Number of agencies in FATA before merger, 7. Capital of Gilgit-Baltistan is Gilgit. City of Saints, Multan. Manchester of Pakistan, Faisalabad. City of Textiles, Faisalabad. City of Lights, Karachi. Gateway of Pakistan, Karachi. Heart of Pakistan, Lahore. Sialkot is famous for sports goods and surgical instruments. Chiniot is famous for woodwork or furniture. Wazirabad is famous for cutlery. Harappa, ancient city, is in Sahiwal. Mohenjo-daro, ancient city, is in Larkana. Taxila was the center of Gandhara civilization. Old name of Faisalabad, Layalpur. Old name of Sahiwal, Montgomery. Old name of Quetta, Shalkot. Old name of Bin Qasim Port, Pipri. Smallest civil award, Tamga-e-Khidmat. Highest civil award, Nishan-e-Pakistan. First capital of Pakistan, Karachi. Islamabad became capital in 1967 officially. Largest desert in the world, Sahara in Africa. Largest island in the world, Greenland. Highest waterfall in the world, Angel Falls in Venezuela. Country with most islands, Sweden. Country with most lakes, Canada. Land of rising sun, Japan. Land of white elephants, Thailand. Land of thousand lakes, Finland. Land of midnight sun, Norway. Largest peninsula in the world, Arabian Peninsula. Smallest country in the world, Vatican City. Largest country by area, Russia. Largest country by population is India as of 2025. Highest mountain range in the world, Himalaya. Longest mountain range in the world is Andes in South America. Dead Sea is located between Jordan and Israel. Lowest point on land, Dead Sea. Lake Titicaca is in South America. Caspian Sea is actually a lake, world's largest. Dark continent, Africa. Atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. Wind speed is measured by anemometer. Humidity is measured by hygrometer. Earthquake intensity is measured by Richter scale. Instrument used for earthquake recording, seismograph. Purity of gold is measured in carat. Longest day in northern hemisphere, 21st June. Shortest day in northern hemisphere, 22nd December. Equal day and night occur on 21st of March and 23rd September. 1 degree of longitude equals 4 minutes of time. 15 degrees of longitude equals 1 hour. Earth rotates from west to east. Layer of atmosphere where planes fly, stratosphere. Layer containing ozone, stratosphere. Innermost part of earth, core. Middle part of earth, mantle. Outermost part of earth, crust. Percentage of nitrogen in air, 78%. Percentage of oxygen in air, 21%. Primary greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide. OIC headquarters in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. SAARC headquarters in Kathmandu, Nepal. UNO headquarters in New York. International Court of Justice headquarters The Hague. In Hague, Netherlands. IMF or World Bank headquarters in Washington DC. European Union headquarters in Brussels in Belgium. NATO headquarters in Brussels. Currency of Japan, yen. Currency of China, yuan. Currency of Turkey, lira. Currency of Russia, ruble. World's oldest currency still in use, British pound sterling. Largest producer of cotton, China and India. Largest producer of wheat and rice, China. Largest producer of oil, USA and Saudi Arabia. Largest producer of gold, China. Largest producer of coffee, Brazil. Largest producer of tea, China. Pakistan's largest export item, cotton or textiles. K2 is also known as Godwin Austen. Nanga Parbat means naked mountain or killer mountain. First Pakistani to climb Mount Everest, Nazir Sabir. In 2000, first Pakistani woman to climb Mount Everest, Samina Beg. Lowest point below sea level in Pakistan, Indian Ocean. First SOS village in Pakistan, Lahore in 1977. First woman bank established in 1989. Rani Kot Fort is in Jamshoro in Sindh. Largest fort of Pakistan, Rani Kot Fort. First nuclear power plant, Kenap in Karachi, built in 1972. Second nuclear power plant, Chestnut in Miawali. Largest thermal power station, Kotadu. First railway track laid between Karachi and Kotri in 1861. Head Sulaimanki is on Sutlej River. Head Marala is on Chenab River. Total area of AJK 13,297 square kilometer. Capital of AJK Muzaffarabad. Total area of GB 72,496 square kilometer. First census in Pakistan 1951. Latest census conducted in Pakistan in 2023. Total length of Siachen Glacier 76 km. Pass connecting Dir with Chitral, Luari Pass. Pass connecting Sindh with Quetta, Bulan Pass. Pass connecting Chitral with Vahan, Barogli Pass. Barogil Pass. Hottest month in Pakistan, June. Coldest month in Pakistan, January. Highest rainfall month, August, monsoon. Pakistan Standard Time is ahead of GMT by 5 hours. Word Pakistan first appeared in pamphlet Now or Never in 1933. Author of Now or Never, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. K2 height in feet, 28,251 feet. Nanga Parbat height in feet, 26,660 feet. Broad Peak, K3 height, 8047 meter. Gas 1, K4 height, 8068 meter. Gas 2, K5 height, 8035 meter. Killer mountain of Pakistan, Nanga Parbat. Mount Everest height, 8848 meter. Total area of Islamabad, 906 square kilometer. Total coastline of Balochistan, 771 km. Total coastline of Sindh, 275 km. First TV station of Pakistan in Lahore, 1964. First radio station in Karachi. Salt mine discovered by Alexander the Great. City of textiles, Faisalabad. City of furniture, Chiniot. City of cutlery, Wazirabad. City of glass, Hyderabad. City of schools, Abbottabad. Indus Water Treaty signed in 1960. Tashkent Declaration signed in 1966. Shimla Agreement signed in 1972. Pakistan joined UN on 30th of September 1947. Pakistan became Republic on 23rd of March 1956. First martial law in 1958, second in 1969, third in 1977 and fourth martial law in 1999. Gwadar Port handed over to China in 2013. Total length of CPEC 3000 km. Main highway of CPEC, Karakram Highway. Karakram Highway connects Havelian to Khunjrab. Length of Karakoram Highway 1300 km. Highest point of Karakoram Highway Khunjrab Pass. First Governor General of Pakistan Quaid-e-Azam. First Prime Minister Liaquat Ali Khan. First President Sikandar Mirza. First Female PM बेनज़ीर भुट्टो। अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे इस्लामियात के मोस्ट रिपीटेड MCQs। फर्स्ट है, फर्स्ट पिलर ऑफ इस्लाम कलमा तैयबा तौहीद। सेकंड पिलर नमाज। थर्ड रोज़ा। फोर्थ ज़कात। फिफ्थ हज। नमाज was made compulsory in 10th of Nabwi Miraj. Zakat was made compulsory in 2AH. Roza in 2AH. Hajj made compulsory in 9AH. Jihad was made compulsory in 2AH. Number of takbeers in Namaz-e-Eid 6. Number of takbeers in Namaz-e-Janaza 4. Azan was introduced in first AH. First Muezzin of Islam Hazrat Bilal Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Prayer of rain Namaz-e-Istisqa. Prayer at solar eclipse Namaz-e-Kusuf. Prayer at lunar eclipse Namaz-e-Khusuf. Nisab of zakat on gold 7.5 tolas. Nisab of zakat on silver 52.5 tolas. First animal on which zakat is applicable camel. Meaning of Quran frequently recited. Total surahs in Quran 114. Total manzils 7. Total rukus 558. Total ayats 6666. Total sajdas 14. Longest surah Surah Baqarah. Shortest surah Surah Kausar. Surah that starts with Bismillah twice Surah Naml. Surah that starts without Bismillah Surah Tawbah. Heart of Quran Surah Yasin. Beauty of Quran Surah Rahman. First surah to be revealed Surah Alaq. Last surah to be revealed Surah Nasr. The Quran was revealed in 23 years. Angel who brought revelation Hazrat Jibrail alayhi salam. First scribe of revelation Wahi Hazrat Khalid bin Said. Main scribe of revelation in Medina Hazrat Zaid bin Sabit. Sahabi mentioned by name in Quran Hazrat Zaid bin Haris in Surah Al-Ahzab. Date of birth of Prophet Muhammad peace be upon him 12th Rabiul Awwal 571 AD. Grandfather's name Hazrat Abdul Muttalib. Mother's name Hazrat Amna. Father's name Hazrat Abdullah. Foster mother's name Hazrat Halima Sadia. Uncle who supported him Hazrat Abu Talib. Tribe of Muhammad peace be upon him Quraysh. First wife Hazrat Khadija Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Age at the time of marriage 25 years and the age of Hazrat Khadija was 40. Total wives 11 known as Azwaje Mutahharat. Last wife to die Hazrat Salma. Total sons 3 Qasim, Abdullah and Ibrahim. Total daughters 4 Hazrat Zainab, Ruqayya, Kulsum and Fatima. Youngest daughter Hazrat Fatima Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Daughter married to Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Ruqayya and later Hazrat Kulsum. Zunnurain is the title of Hazrat Usman Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Prophet peace be upon him migrated to Medina in 622 AD. Prophet peace be upon him stayed in Medina for 10 years. Prophet peace be upon him performed 1 Hajj and 4 Umrahs. Khutbah Hujjatul Wida was delivered in 10 AH. Meaning of Ghazwa battle in which Prophet peace be upon him participated. Total number of Ghazwas 27. First Ghazwa of Islam, Ghazwa-e-Vidan, Abwa. Battle of Badr took place in 17th of Ramadan 2 AH. Muslims in Battle of Badr 313, Kuffar in Battle of Badr 1000, Martyrs Shuhada of Badr 14. Battle of Ohud took place in 3 AH. Martyrs of Ohud 70. Battle of Trench Khandak in 5 AH. Idea of trench given by Hazrat Salman Farsi Riziyallahu Ta'ala Anhu. Treaty of Hudaybiyah 6 AH. Conquest of Khyber 7 AH. Conquest of Makkah 8 AH. Battle of Hunain 8 AH. Battle of Tabuk 9 AH. Last Ghazwa. Title Saifullah given to Hazrat Khalid bin Walid after Battle of Mota. Battle in which Prophet peace be upon him lost his teeth. Ghazwa Ohud. Battle of Yarmouk fought against Romans. Battle of Qadsiya fought against Persians. First Caliph Hazrat Abu Bakr. Period of Hazrat Abu Bakr 2 years 632 to 634. Real name of Hazrat Abu Bakr Abdullah. Second Caliph Hazrat Umar. Period of Hazrat Umar 10 years 634 to 644. Third Caliph Hazrat Usman. Period of Hazrat Usman 12 years, the longest period. Fourth Caliph Hazrat Ali. Period of Hazrat Ali 4.5 years, the shortest period. Asadullah is the title of Hazrat Ali. Farooq is the title of Hazrat Umar. Siddiq is the title of Hazrat Abu Bakr. Caliph who introduced the Hijri calendar, Hazrat Umar. Caliph who established the police system, Hazrat Umar. Caliph martyred while reciting Quran, Hazrat Usman. Caliph martyred by Ibn Muljam, Hazrat Ali. Compilation of Quran started by Hazrat Abu Bakr. Quran was officially distributed by Hazrat Usman. Daughter of Abu Bakr married to Prophet Hazrat Aisha Riziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Daughter of Umar married to Prophet Hazrat Hafsa Riziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. First Prophet Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Abu al-Bashar is the title of Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Abu al-Bashar Sani is Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Prophet who lived for 950 years, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Khalilullah is the title of Hazrat Ibrahim. Zabiyullah is the title of Hazrat Ismail. Kalimullah is the title of Hazrat Musa. Ruhullah is the title of Hazrat Isa. Prophet who was swallowed by a whale, Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam. Prophet famous for his patience, Hazrat Ayub alayhi salam. Prophet who was a carpenter, Hazrat Zakaria alayhi salam. Prophet who was a blacksmith, Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Torah was revealed to Hazrat Musa alayhi salam. Zabur was revealed to Hazrat Daud alayhi salam. Injil, Bible was revealed to Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Prophet who spoke in cradle, Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. Prophet known as Khatibul Anbiya, Hazrat Shoaib alayhi salam. Grave of Hazrat Adam is in Sri Lanka. Prophet mentioned most in Quran, Hazrat Musa. Prophet Ibrahim was thrown into the fire by Namrud. Hajj consists of 3 farz. Meaning of Arafat, recognition. First house built for Allah, Khana Kaaba. Hajr Aswad means black stone. Sa'i means walking between Safa and Marwa. Rami means pelting the Jamarat devils. Stay at Arafat takes place on 9th of Zilhajj. Haji Akbar is Hajj on Friday. First Masjid of Islam, Masjid Quba. Masjid Hanif is located in Mina. Masjid Qiblatain is in Medina. Meaning of Qiblatain: two directions. Baitul Mamur is located in seventh heaven. The gate of Hajj is Jeddah. The first miqat for pilgrims from Pakistan, Yalam Lam. First Umayyad Caliph, Hazrat Amir Muawiyah. Tragedy of Karbala took place in 61 AH. Capital of Umayyad Khilafat, Damascus. Last Umayyad Caliph, Marwan II. First Abbasid Caliph, Abdul Abbas al-Safa. Capital of Abbasid Khilafat, Baghdad. Golden age of Islam was under Harun al-Rashid. Spain was conquered by Tariq bin Ziyad in 711 AD. Sindh was conquered by Muhammad bin Qasim in 712 AD. Baitul Hikmah was established in Baghdad. First woman to embrace Islam, Hazrat Khadija. First man to embrace Islam, Hazrat Abu Bakr. First child to embrace Islam, Hazrat Ali. First slave to embrace Islam, Hazrat Zaid bin Haris. First martyr Shaheed of Islam, Hazrat Sumayya. First martyr among men, Hazrat Haris bin Abi Hala. Subject of Quran, man. Meaning of Islam, submission. Zun-Nur, light, refers to Quran. Number of prophets mentioned in Quran, 26. Longest ayat of Quran, Ayatul Dain, Surah Baqarah. In Surah Baqarah, Bait Rizwan was for revenging Hazrat Usman's rumored death. Ashra Mubashra include 10 Sahaba which were promised paradise. Title of Imam Abu Hanifa, Imam Azam. Foundation of Masjid Nabawi was laid in 1st AH. Change of Qibla took place in 2 AH. Ushur is zakat on agricultural land, 10%. Jizya is a tax on non-Muslims for protection. Friday is called Sayyidul Ayyam. Month of Quran, Ramazan. Babul Ilm is the title of Hazrat Ali. Ummul Momineen means mother of believers. Miqat for Pakistan, Yalam Lam. Sadaqah-e-Fitr is paid for Eid al-Fitr. Namaz-e-Khasuf is for lunar eclipse. Total stages, Manzil in Quran 7. First mosque built by Prophet, Quba. Wife of Prophet who was daughter of Abu Bakr, Hazrat Aisha. Wife of Prophet who was daughter of Umar, Hazrat Hafsa. Caliph known as Ghani, Hazrat Usman. Prophet who built the Ark, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Prophet who survived fire, Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Prophet who survived fish stomach, Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam. Sahabi known as Tarjuman al-Quran, Hazrat Abdullah bin Abbas. Meaning of Al-Fatiha, the opening. First collection of Hadith, Sahifa Sadiqa. Holy Prophets, camel name Kaswa. Angel who visited Prophet in cave Hira, Hazrat Jibrail alayhi salam. Current Hijri year 1447. अब हम स्टार्ट करने लगे हैं जनरल साइंस के मोस्ट रिपीटेड MCQs. फर्स्ट वन है नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑन सेल्सियस 37 डिग्री. नॉर्मल बॉडी टेम्परेचर ऑन फ़ारेनहाइट 98.6. टोटल बोन्स इन एन अडल्ट ह्यूमन 206. टोटल बोन्स इन अ न्यू बॉर्न बेबी 300. Largest bone in human body, femur, thigh bone. Largest bone in human body, stapes in ear. Largest organ of the human body, skin. Largest gland of the human body, liver. Master gland of the human body, pituitary gland. Blood pH level 7.35 to 7.45, slightly alkaline. Total volume of blood in human body 5 to 6 liters. Lifespan of red blood cells 120 days. Lifespan of white blood cells 13 to 20 days. Universal donor blood group O negative. Universal recipient blood group AB positive. Filter of human body, kidneys. Basic unit of nervous system, neuron. Basic unit of excretory system, nephron. Part of eye that is donated, cornea. Insulin is produced in the pancreas. Vitamin for blood clotting, vitamin K. Vitamin for night vision, vitamin A. Vitamin for bones or teeth, vitamin D. Vitamin found in citrus fruits, vitamin C. Sunshine vitamin, vitamin D. Vitamin B1 is also known as thiamine. Scurvy is caused by deficiency of vitamin C. Rickets is caused by deficiency of vitamin D. Beriberi is caused by deficiency of vitamin B1. Anemia is caused by deficiency of iron. Goiter is caused by deficiency of iodine. Main source of energy for body, carbohydrates. Richest source of protein, soya beans or eggs. Fat soluble vitamins A, D, E and K. Water soluble vitamins B and C. Speed of light 300,000 km per second. Speed of sound in air 343 meter per second. Sound travels fastest in solids. For example, steel. Light travel fastest in vacuum. Unit of power, watt. Unit of energy or work, joule. Unit of force, Newton. Unit of frequency, hertz. Unit of electric current, ampere. Unit of resistance, ohm. Instrument to measure atmospheric pressure, barometer. Instrument to measure humidity, hygrometer. Instrument to measure purity of milk, lactometer. Instrument to measure earthquakes, seismograph. Short-sightedness, myopia, is corrected by concave lens. Long-sightedness, hyperopia, corrected by convex lens. Chemical name of common salt, sodium chloride, NaCl. Chemical name of baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Chemical name of washing soda, sodium carbonate. Lightest element in the universe, hydrogen. Lightest metal, lithium. Heaviest natural element, uranium. Hardest natural substance, diamond. Only metal that is liquid at room temperature, mercury. Only non-metal that is liquid at room temperature, bromine. Gas used in fire extinguishers, carbon dioxide. Gas used in refrigerators or ACs, freon or ammonia. Closest planet to Sun, Mercury. Hottest and brightest planet, Venus. Red planet, Mars. Largest planet in the solar system, Jupiter. Planet with the most prominent rings, Saturn. Farthest planet from the Sun, Neptune. The morning or evening star, Venus. Time taken by sunlight to reach Earth 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Time taken by moonlight to reach Earth 1.3 seconds. Halley's Comet appear every 76 years. Earth's twin planet, Venus. Galaxy we live in, the Milky Way. Unit of astronomical distance, light year. Percentage of nitrogen in air 78%, percentage of oxygen in air 21%, percentage of carbon dioxide in air 0.03% to 0.04%. Main greenhouse gas carbon dioxide. Layer that protects earth from UV rays, ozone layer. Ozone layer is found in stratosphere. Gas responsible for ozone depletion, chlorofluorocarbons. Main component of natural gas, sui gas, is methane, CH4. Acid rain is caused by sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. The study of plants, botany, study of animals, zoology, study of insects, entomology, study of birds is called ornithology, powerhouse of cell is called mitochondria, kitchen of cell chloroplast, suicide bags of cell lysosomes. First antibiotic discovered penicillin by Alexander Fleming. Process by which plants make food, photosynthesis. Xylem tissue transports water, phloem tissue transports food. Father of genetics, Gregor Mendel. Father of biology, Aristotle. Discovery of blood groups by Karl Landsteiner. Discovery of vaccination by Edward Jenner. Boyle's law relates pressure and volume. Newton's first law is also called law of inertia. Escape velocity of earth 11.2 km per second. Density of water is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. Human skull has 22 bones. Vertebral column has 33 vertebrae. Number of ribs in human 12 pair, 24 total. Heartbeat rate in adults 72 times per minute. Breathing rate in adult 12 to 16 times per minute. Main constituent of hemoglobin iron. Bile is stored in the gallbladder. Dialysis is used for kidney failure. EEG is used for brain monitoring. ECG is used for heart monitoring. Chemical used in photography, silver bromide. Most abundant metal in Earth's crust, aluminium. Most abundant metal in Earth's crust, aluminium. Most abundant element in Earth's crust, oxygen. Chemical used to purify water, chlorine. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron, chromium and nickel. The sun produces energy via nuclear fusion. Nuclear reactors produce energy via nuclear fission. Primary colors are three: red, blue and green. Weight of human brain 1.3 to 1.4 kg. Longest cell in human body, nerve cell. Process of liquid turning to gas, evaporation. Process of gas turning into liquid, condensation. Process of solid turning directly to gas, sublimation. pH of pure water 7. pH of acids less than 7. pH of bases more than 7. Main component of LPG, liquefied petroleum gas, butane and propane. Radioactivity was discovered by Henry Becquerel. X-rays were discovered by Wilhelm Röntgen. Theory of relativity given by Albert Einstein. Law of gravitation given by Isaac Newton. Smallest unit of matter, atom. Particles inside atom, protons, neutrons and electrons. Charge on proton, positive, electron, negative and neutron, neutral, no charge. Atomic number is based on number of protons. Tsunami is a Japanese word meaning harbor wave. Distance between Earth and Sun 150 million km. Outer layer of Sun, corona. Brain of computer, CPU, central processing unit. Volatile memory, lost when power off, and that is RAM, random access memory. Non volatile memory is permanent memory, and that is ROM, read only memory. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 MB. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 GB. Founder of Microsoft, Bill Gates and Paul Allen. Father of computer, Charles Babbage. First programmer, Ada Lovelace. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. PDF stands for Portable Document Format. Standard keyword layout QWERTY. Shortcut for copy, Ctrl plus C. Shortcut for paste, Ctrl plus V. For undo, Ctrl plus Z. Shortcut for select all, Ctrl plus A. Function key for help, F1. Function key for refresh, F5. The physical parts of computer known as hardware. Operating system, Windows, Linux, they are system software. Main circuit board of a computer, motherboard. Device used to connect computer to internet, modem. मैं आपके साथ करंट अफेयर्स के वो MCQs शेयर करने जा रही हूँ जो 2025 में पेपर्स में आए हैं. So first one, which Pakistani province introduced the inaugural Chief Minister's Minority Card program in 2025? Punjab. Who currently serves as the Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan as of 2025? Ishaq Dar. On which date did the Pakistan Navy take command of Combined Task Force 151 for the 11th time? 23rd of January 2025. What is the name of Pakistan's first domestically developed electro-optical satellite deployed in 2025? PRSC EO-1. Which global aviation authority removed a 4-year restriction on PIA in early 2025, allowing European flights? EASA. How many Pakistani higher education institutions were featured in the 2025 Global University Rankings? 47. The new Gwadar International Airport scheduled its official commencement of operations for which date? 25th of January 2025. Who is the current official spokesperson for Ministry of Foreign Affairs? Ambassador Shafqat Ali Khan. Which country is the host of G20 Summit 2025? South Africa. The COP30 United Nations Climate Change Conference is scheduled to be held in Brazil. Which nation transferred the leadership of Combined Task Force 151 to Pakistan in January 2025? Turkey. What is the total value of the MOUs signed between Pakistani and Chinese enterprises in January 2025? $250 million. Which international organization did Pakistan become a member on 30th of September 1947? Frequently repeated in 2025 papers, United Nations. Who is the current Federal Minister of Finance and Revenue? Senator Muhammad Aurangzeb. In the Henley Passport Index 2025, what is the Pakistan's global rank? 103rd. Pakistan was elected as non-permanent member of United Nations Security Council for which term? 2025 to 26, 8th time. Which province reported as the highest number of polio cases in Pakistan during 2024? Balochistan. What is the Pakistan's current rank in the Global Firepower Index 2025? 12th out of 145. Who was appointed as the first female manager of the Pakistan Cricket Board? Hina Munawar. The Punjab government inaugurated Pakistan's first fully electric bus service in which month? January 2025. Which renowned university is the highest ranked Pakistani institution in the world rankings 2025? Quaid-e-Azam University. Which two countries officially become part of BRICS in January 2025? Nigeria and Indonesia. Who secured a seventh term as the president of Belarus in early 2025? Alexander Lukashenko. Which AI model was introduced by Alibaba in 2025 to rival DeepSeek Qwen 2.5 Max? The World Governments Summit 2025 addressed by PM Shehbaz Sharif was held in Dubai, UAE. Which nation hosted the Physical Disabled Cricket Champions Trophy in January 2025? Sri Lanka.